Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Snapchat shortcut. So first of all, just open up the Snapchat application and then take a snap and then tap on this next. So to create a new shortcut, you have to tap on this search bar in the top and then tap on this shortcuts. Now tap on this new shortcut and now you have to tap on this choose emoji and select any emoji. Tap any contact from your contact list. You can tag multiple contacts. After this, just tap on this create shortcut. Shortcut created with emoji. Now you can add more shortcut one by one. You can manage shortcut anytime. So first take a snap and then tap on this next. Now tap on your shortcuts and you will see your all shortcuts here. To delete your shortcut, just tap on your shortcut and then tap on these three dots and click on this shortcut delete. Delete again, and that's it, your shortcut is deleted. So that's how you can make shortcuts on Snapchat and delete it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.